The following case study is a 14-year-old young woman who sustained a traumatic injury playing soccer, where she tore her ACL, PCL, MCL, and medial meniscus. 10 days after her injury, she flew out to Colorado, where she had a total repair of all of the involved components of her knee. And 10 days after her surgery, she was referred back to our clinic for her to begin her outpatient physical therapy. When she first started in the pool, her range of motion, she was lacking 10 degrees of full extension, and her flexion was to 90 degrees. Within a week of being in the pool, this improved to -5 and 100 degrees. And she also just had the feeling that in the pool, she was able to move that knee without as much discomfort as she was feeling on land. It was just easier for her to get through that range of motion. Also, within a week of coming to the pool, she was able to get rid of her crutches and just continue walking without any assistive device. She does continue to need to use her jack brace at all times when she's not in the pool, just to protect the PCL repair. The use of the massage hose has been immense for her as well. One of the goals was to just loosen up her scar tissue of her knee and increase the pliability of the tissue there, and the massage hose has helped that to a great extent as well.
My name is Megan, and I'm 15 years old, and I tore 3 ligaments in my knee, my ACL, PCL, MCL, and also my meniscus. And I had surgery in Colorado because the surgeons in Vermont didn't really have never really done this before. So, and when I came back to Vermont, the PTs here were really good, and I decided to go and do pool physical therapy. And I think that it helped in a lot of different ways, because I was able to move my knee better in the pool, and I was able to walk without my brace on, and I've been having to keep my brace on for 3 months so far, so it was helpful. And also, when I was first on crutches, it helped me transition into walking a lot easier than it would have been without the pool. And also, just my knee feels like a totally different thing when I'm in the pool than when I'm on land. So pool is definitely helpful.